Before using the new ARAMIS Kiosk interface for material tests, prepare your tensile test as usual. Measure the specimen width and the specimen thickness. Then, place the specimen in the tensile testing machine. After preparing the tensile test, start your work in the ARAMIS Kiosk interface for material tests. Ensure that you have selected the required test, material and norm. The software automatically shows basic information such as the connected sensor, the measurement volume and the working distance. Make sure that the specimen is centered in the images. To continue preparing the measurement, click the button. Now, the software automatically checks the calibration. In addition, the specimen is identified in the image and the region of interest is automatically adapted according to the edges of the specimen. The software also calculates the exposure time. The alignment is automatically defined along the long specimen edges. The defined tensile direction is along the long edge. Within a few seconds, the software prepares the whole measurement. Now you can enter the username. If you have multiple measurements in one testing series, modify the specimen name and number. Enter the specimen thickness and width you have measured at the beginning. You can also adapt the gauge length. In this case, the applied load signal triggers and controls the image recording. Start the measurement in the ARAMIS Kiosk interface. Then start the tensile test on the testing machine. The testing machine stretches the specimen until it fails. The 3D images show a live color plot of the longitudinal strain epsilon y. The deviation label shows the technical stress and the average of the longitudinal strain in the specified gauge length region. In metallic norms, the elastic phase and the end of the test will be recorded in a higher temporal resolution. After the measurement, the software displays the stress-strain curve and the limits for the material value calculation. Edit the limits according to the stress-strain curve. Also, enter the desired limits for the N value and for the R value. Once entered, these values are stored for the next measurement of the measurement series. The software automatically updates the report pages. The first report page shows the strain in longitudinal direction. You can now flip through the report pages and check the calculated values for validity using the additional information given by the graphs and tables of the pages. The stress-strain curve is as well included as the graphs representing the calculations of the different material values. To create a further tensile test for your measurement series, you can simply choose the button Prepare Next Test. Then, the ARAMIS Kiosk interface will show the second screen again that you can prepare the next measurement. If this test is your only test, close the project. The software automatically saves the project. In addition, the reports are exported as PDF files. The stress-strain curve is exported as ASCII data. You can also use a statistical CSV file including the material values of the whole measurement series. In conclusion, with the new ARAMIS Kiosk interface for material tests, you can create complete evaluations of tensile tests including extensive reports.